to continue looting the country. The Gen Z had cornered this man completely. And Raila Odinga is the one who revived him. Had he allowed the Gen Z to deal with that matter, we would not be where we are today. So he is the one who saved him. Okay. And since the Raila came, he donated 4 experts. Joho is an expert. Oparanya is an expert. My English fails me, who is an expert. Since the experts came, has the prices of food gone down? Have healthcare improved? Has the education system improved? Has the stealing stopped? Nothing. It's only that the people eating have just become more. Those who are not eating have joined the ones who are eating. It's only the party is much bigger. There is no change, nothing. And nothing will change, my brother. And you can ask me, come back here after some time. And if anything changes in 1 year, come with a pickup. I'll give you 3 havers from my family. Yeah.
Okay.
The day things change and they are working, don't even look for an appointment. Just find out through social media. Once you confirm I'm here, you see me taking some photographs here. It's 2 hours from Nairobi. Just come with a pickup, get 3 havers, fresh and go. Nothing will change.
Mr.
Things will only change
after
the elections, when there's regime change, and we put a responsible government into place. That's when there will be change.
Mr. President, you're standing between me and 3 heifers. Do the thing. Quick fire. What happened to NHIF money?
Stolen.
By who?
Who else?